there's a great chance the Bitcoin drops 85 to 90% at some point. While we don't think that time is now by any stretch of the imagination, there's a lot of evidence to suggest that at some point we will see that massive drop. If you're newer to crypto, this probably scares you because you're thinking to yourself, this could be your one chance to make life-changing wealth. Well, today, I'm going to show you the top 3 ways that you can make money in cryptocurrency, regardless of whether Bitcoin goes up or goes down. Let's get it. BitSwap is the hottest new way to trade tokens. Crawling all the top decentralized exchanges, BitSwap gets you the very best price and value for your trades. BitSwap is changing the game. Try it now at bitswapdex.io. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, the largest crypto channel in all the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in cryptocurrency. If you like money in crypto, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, details down below on how you can win 1 full Bitcoin. In this video, we're going to be looking at how you can make money in crypto whether the market goes up or down. If that sounds good, make sure to smash that like button for us. So let's talk about this. If you're new to crypto, man, it sure is exciting. We waited for years for the prices to surge, and here they are, surging. It feels like the prices may go up forever, but that simply is not the historical precedent for Bitcoin. In fact, the precedent is that it will drop 85 to 90% at some point. 2017, the price of Bitcoin popped off from its previous all-time high at about $1,200 all the way to $20,000. Then in 2018, it dropped and dropped and dropped. And about mid-December, the price bottomed out at $3,200. Now, let me tell you, I was shocked, but I really shouldn't have been. I listened to influencers on Twitter and YouTube discuss the price of Bitcoin going all the way back down to $3,000. And I thought it was crazy. First time I heard that number was in February of 2018, and I thought there was a 0% chance it would fall that low. I was caught up in the euphoria of the market. We were already in the midst of a bear market, and I didn't even know it. I recall a poll that I saw on Twitter in March of 2018, and it asked if we were in a bull market or in a bear market. And 70% of respondents in March of 2018 still thought the price would quickly bounce. As I watched the prices sink further and further down, I became depressed and watched my wealth go out the window. So I vowed to never let that happen to me again, and I went to work studying the Bitcoin cycles. At that point, we had 3 full cycles to look at, and one of the most incredible things to me is that regardless of the years of the cycle, I found article after article that echoed the exact same sentiments. Basically, in the months leading up to a Bitcoin halving event, people everywhere believe that this cycle will be different and the excitement of a Bitcoin bull run will be baked into the price. Then the halving occurs, prices go wild, exactly as predicted. Then during each cycle, people believe the prices will go up forever, and we're in the midst of a Bitcoin super cycle. Then the price drops 85 to 90% like clockwork. So right now, we're getting to the point in the cycle where there are 3 competing narratives. 2 of them always bear out to be false, and 1 bears itself to be true. The first narrative is that we're in the midst of a Bitcoin super cycle, and this time it will be different. The second narrative is that the bull run is ending early and we've topped out. No history supports either one of those viewpoints. The third narrative is that we will see the all too common regular Bitcoin cycle, meaning the price will rise for 5 to 6 more months, and then a bear market will begin. And until the Bitcoin cycles are broken, that's what we'll see, in my opinion. So what specifically do I think that we'll see? We will see a $300,000 plus Bitcoin by September. Then we'll have a sharp correction somewhere in the neighborhood of $40,000 to $50,000. Analyst Bobby Lee seems to agree with this. He says we will see a $100,000 Bitcoin over the summer, a $300,000 Bitcoin by the fall, and then we will see prices fall all the way down to basically current prices. But here's the great news. You can make money in crypto no matter which way the market goes. I know this because as much as the market drop in 2018 crushed me, I set out to make money in crypto. By George, I've done it. And you can too. So let's look at the top 3 ways that you can make money in crypto regardless of the market fluctuations. Number 1 is to look at the bear market as an opportunity. Here's the thing. While Bitcoin drops an average of about 85%, altcoins often drop 97 to 98%. Cardano dropped from $1.31 all the way down to a penny in the bear market. Imagine the gains you could have had. When you're new to crypto and this is your first cycle, you get very scared to think about the prices dropping. But the reality of the situation is that when the market drops, you can get the most massive gains on the way back up. If you're able to turn your investment right now up to the tune of 10x, if you cash out at the right time over to stable coins and wait for the bear market, you can turn that 10x to a 100x or a 1000x. Say it with me. The bear market is not a bad thing. Number 2 is to learn how to trade. This is by far the most fun thing to do in order to protect yourself in a bear market, but it's also one of the most difficult. Right now, many of you are investing. Trading is a much more active approach where you take advantage of price swings in the market. Leverage trading specifically is the way you can make the most money all throughout the bear market. We saw it all during the last one. The trend is your friend. It's a common thing we say in crypto. I've absolutely demolished leverage trading so far in 2021 by understanding we are in a bull market. This means every time we get a big dip in the market, I look for a chance to long Bitcoin. Longing Bitcoin means betting the price will go up, which it's done so far all year long every time it drops. I only long in bull markets because only choosing to go with the market takes away a lot of the guesswork and the volatility. However, in a bear market, the downtrend will be your friend, and we will look for opportunities to short the market or bet the price of Bitcoin goes down. Every time Bitcoin gets a large move upwards, we'll short Bitcoin, and we can ride it all the way down, making numerous winning trades as we go. Whether you're ready now or not, I suggest going ahead and signing up for a Bybit account by visiting bitboycrypto.com/deals. Also, if you want to watch my latest Bybit tutorial, you can do that by clicking the link above. One other thing you can do in order to get prepared to become an expert level trader is to start learning the indicator we use, Market Cipher. You get 5% off the price of Market Cipher now right on the deals page. But right now we are actively trading $100,000 into $1 million, and you can track our progress and follow along on our daily live streams. But I want to leave you with this about trading. This is a skill. The beautiful thing about learning to trade is that once you get this down and learn how to use Market Cipher, you will be on your way to never having to work a real job in your life. Even if everything I built on this channel were to disappear tomorrow, I could still make money the rest of my life with the skill of trading, and so can you. The third way you can bear market proof your money is to sell the shovels. Now, let me explain to you what I mean. Talk about this a lot. You guys may have heard me tell this story before, but in the 1800s, the American gold rush was on. People feverishly traveled to California in hopes to make all the money in the world with gold. They would pan for gold in the mountains and look deep, mining it in caves, hoping to strike it rich. But here's the thing. Only about 10% of people who went west to find gold actually found a significant amount. And that is kind of how it is in crypto. Most people will not understand how to time the markets and will lose their newly found gains. Several companies understood this concept back in the 1800s during the gold rush. One of those companies was Wells Fargo. Of course, one of the banking enemies that we have these days, but I digress. Henry Wells Fargo decided that he was going to take a different approach to the gold rush. Instead of looking for gold himself, he decided that he was going to empower other people to find gold. He started a company actually called American Express, which sold the shovels, pickaxes, flashlights, and helmets to those looking for gold. And he would eventually see his company become a billion-dollar conglomeration. So ask yourself, what can you do to sell the shovels to those looking to get involved in crypto? What of value do you have to offer? If you're new, of course, this will take some time and effort to educate yourself enough to know how to help others. But the fact you're in crypto right now means you're already more educated than 99% of people out there. For me, I empower others through education on my YouTube channel, but there are plenty of other ways to do it. Newsletters, social media accounts, in-person workshops, and meetups are all great ways to start bringing in revenue. Making money in crypto is pretty easy, especially when it's in a bull market. But creating cash flow streams through crypto is how to go from 6 figures to 8 or 9 figures, maybe 10 under the right conditions. But let me know what you think. Are you prepared for a bear market? Let me know which one of these 3 strategies that you intend to use. Drop those comments down below. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.